You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.